Three.
Hello everybody on the other side of the screen. Welcome to the first episode of Campus Candid Talks, where we discuss what students actually think. So today's topic of discussion is something that recruiters keep bringing up, that is, are soft skills more valuable than technical skills? And to discuss that, we have here Riddhima with us, who has seen this play out very closely. So Riddhima, let me start with a quick question. What's your verdict? Like, are soft skills winning this race?
Thank you, Anshika, for having me on this talk show. I would say soft skills are not winning the race, but they are definitely changing it. And I have experienced it first hand. So let me share the example. So we recently were working on a group project in marketing where one of my teammates made the perfect analytics dashboard, but he was not able to explain it properly. So when it came to the presentation part, people noticed the one who was explaining it clearly, not the one who built the model. So this incident taught me that soft skill definitely is very important when you are presenting.
That actually makes sense, but okay, still I say that in some subjects like engineering, finance, people still say that tech skills are the real deal. What do you say on that?
100% agreed with you, Anshika. Technical skills are the foundation, but even in such fields, soft skill can make or break you. Let's take example. There are two engineers. Both know Python, both can debug code. But one teammate can explain it to the teammates in a simple language, while the other speaks in a confusing jargon. Who will get promoted? Who will lead the team, or who will get the client trust? Of course, the one who is communicating his idea perfectly or in a better way. So this also makes us or brings us to the conclusion that soft skill is important in every aspect or in every field.
Very well put. I totally agree with that. Okay, what do you think about AI? Like is AI making any shifts in this soft skills thing? Like, are they pushing the soft skills on the top?
Definitely, as we all know, AI is used for writing reports, summarizing data, or generating presentations. But there's one thing that AI cannot do, which is being a human. And AI will not be able to manage or identify if a teammate is stressed. It cannot handle a conflict politely. Also, it will not be able to gain client trust like a human can. So we have one more example with me. Like, we were having this role play session in class, and we had to create a pitch which we created using an AI, which in the first instance gave us it is a very nice idea, but when it came to actual selling the idea to class, it sounded very robotic. We had to add storytelling, humor, and tone. What are these? All these are soft skills.
I agree with that. Okay, let's put it this way. If you have to give few valuable soft skills in today's world, what they would be?
According to me, I think it's adaptable. Companies don't want someone who says, I have done this task this way. They want someone who says that, okay, let's figure this out. So one of our college events was happening, and our sponsorship plan got collapsed just 1 week before the event. Just imagine the amount of tension and stress we had amongst us. But one of our teammates took the initiative. She recognized the task, spoke to the vendors very confidently, and she managed the team together. And then this incident again gave us the hope that soft skills are one thing that could hold the event when everything breaks. The soft skills she used were quick decision making, communicating, and emotional control.
That's a very powerful example. Okay, let's summarize it. Last question, final verdict. What do you think? Soft skills, technical skills?
So here's my final verdict. Technical skills opens the door, while soft skill decides how far you will walk once you are inside. So soft skills aren't just valuable, they are the real competitive advantage.
Beautifully summed up. Thank you, Riddhima. Thank you for this thoughtful and real conversation. And we sign off with Campus Candid Talks. Thank you.
Thank you.